Hello everyone, today we talk about Beloved Network new app to make money with mining. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos please like and share the videos. What is Beloved Network? How you can earn money from Beloved Network? The Beloved app ultimate guide to earn money online. You can easily withdraw your money from Beloved Network. What is the process for withdrawing earnings from the Beloved Network in any country, whether you're living in Pakistan, India, or another part of the world? Complete information about Beloved Network will be provided in this video. Hey folks, you can use the Beloved Network for free without any investment or effort, and without spending even a single rupee. When you create an account, you'll receive 100 BLV tokens which will be added to your staking. These coins will be used for mining, and your 100 BLV tokens will increase to 500 BLV tokens, worth $10 instead of $2. That's a value of 2,600 Pakistani rupees or more, just for signing up. Wasim Akram, a renowned cricketer, is promoting the Beloved Network and earning a considerable amount by sharing his promo code. This network is also being heavily promoted during the current PSL match, causing the price of BLV tokens to rise from 1 cent to 2 cents. It's likely that the token price will continue to increase in the coming days, and may even reach $1. This means that the $10 you received for creating an account could potentially be worth $500 or more. With Beloved Network, a game that starts with thousands can quickly reach millions. Your investment of 2,600 rupees could grow to 1 rupee lakh. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Download the Beloved Network app and create an account today. There's also another way to make money within this network, giving you the chance to earn even more. Let's take a closer look at how to create an account on the Beloved Network app, and learn how to earn and withdraw money. Earn money by staking Beloved tokens and earn 15x rewards on your mobile. Beloved Network is a user-friendly smartphone app that allows you to stake Beloved tokens and receive up to 5 times the rewards. The app has an intuitive and well-designed interface, making it easy for users to explore its various features with ease. Beloved Network app is a powerful platform for staking and earning rewards with Beloved token. This community-driven token is based on the BFIC blockchain. By staking BLV on the Beloved Network app, users can earn a daily staking reward of 0.8%. Amazing features. The Beloved Network app is designed to offer an exceptional user experience, providing BLV stackers with maximum convenience. With built-in promotions and news portals, users can stay up to date with the latest news and updates about the app and token. The Beloved Network app includes a convenient button that allows users to switch between basic and pro mode. In basic mode, users can view their stats in numerical form, while in pro mode, they can expand these stats and see their account performance presented in the form of graphs and charts. Get a comprehensive view of both global and personal stats on the Beloved Network. Explore your team, staking, and reward stats on your personal screen, or learn about the global staking and earning stats of the network app. Download the Beloved Network app today to start exploring.